Okay, mine is how to make scrambled eggs and cheese. Okay, so these first slides will all your ingredients that you need. Not really couple. And so you'll have 3 eggs, any type of cheese that you want in your eggs. You'll need a 1/2 cup, a fork, and a spatula, and you'll need a medium size. Okay, first step is to put the pan on the stove at a medium temperature, and then get your bowl and crack all 3 of your eggs into the bowl, and add your 1/2 cup of shredded cheese to it without doing anything to it. And then you'll take a fork, and you can't really see it, but you'll whisk it in a circular motion to blend to scramble the eggs and blend in the cheese with it until it's a good consistency, so 30 to 45 seconds of scrambling it. And pour your mixture into the pan that's already been preheating, and let it sit there for 45 to 30 seconds on the pan, and until it gets hot enough, and start stirring it with your spatula, and take the edge of it, and you just kind of scoop it and then flip it, and you stir it around and keep going, and you can't really see it, but it starts to get thicker, and then you're consistent, it starts to get the consistency starts to get better and more like eggs. You can't really see it in this picture, but on here you can. And once it starts to look like scrambled eggs, because you should know what scrambled eggs looks like, you want to leave it on there for 20 seconds, mix it around, and then you want to get some of your edges of your pan and mix it in too, because it makes it kind of crunchy, good. And then your finished product, you want to scoop that's in the pan. You want to scoop it onto the plate that you're eating, and it doesn't really matter obviously what plate, but and then when you're done, it will look like that. And this will be your finished product for the whole thing. And you can, my preference is to let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes before eating it, and then add salt, and then you're done. So, any questions?
Do you need to grease the pan at all?
I don't, because it at the end, I did it one time, and at the end it made it kind of greasy, the eggs. So I don't do it, but you can if you want to.
Well, you also add butter to it.
No. I've heard people do that, but I don't like it. I think it's gross. Any other questions?
What about salt and pepper?
Yes, I do. I add salt. Or I add salt, I don't like pepper. But it's but most people add salt and pepper. Any other questions? Oh, yes.
What type of egg do you use?
Just your regular large eggs, I guess. For 1 serving size, it's 3 eggs can feed 3 medium eggs can feed 1 person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried cooking this for a big event?
Yeah, we took a whole 36 pack of eggs to make enough, but you just have to. It's the same thing, right? When you mix them, you just take the yield of 1 recipe and triple it or how much ever you need to do, and then that makes. Yes.
How much cheese do you put on it?
A 1/2 cup. I just said that. Yes.
Is that just for 1 serving or 2?
What, a 1/2 cup?
Yeah.
The 1/2 cup is for one serving, which is 3 eggs and a 1/2 cup of cheese is 1 serving. So if you wanted to feed a family of 5 people, then you would take that recipe times 5. But it really depends on who's eating. I'm a fat kid and I eat a lot, so. Oh, any other questions?
How long have you been making scrambled eggs?
What?
How long have you been making scrambled eggs?
2 weeks. We learned it in LNW 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
I don't
We
know.
learned it at the beginning of the year.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did. We learned 3 months ago.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was a long time.
It was 2 months ago.
Okay. Any other questions about how to make scrambled egg cheese? No? Okay, thank you.